What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have an exciting one. You guys already see by the title, we got the Union Jordan 1 Shadow to Chicago's here, man. This is perfect, man. This is amazing. So yeah, I entered the raffle and I got a W on the Union site, and I believe these will be releasing on Sneakers app March 18th as well. So if you took an L, you guys have a second chance. I believe, I don't know if it's confirmed yet, but supposedly that's like the rumor going around. But here we go. We have it. And now you guys know the deal, you know, size 14. Here's my thing, guys. You know, whenever I get a hyped up shoe, some nonsense always happens, which means the price for this shoe is gonna plummet. Right now on a size 14, this shoe is going for about 900. So that's really awesome. But I think after the release on March 18th on Sneakers app, if that even happens, I think that the price for these things are gonna drop all the way down to probably like 400 or 500. So let's go ahead. Enough talk, man. Let's open it up here. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well. And here it is, guys. Here it is. I like how it comes in the Jordan 2 box. That's really cool. So as you guys can see here, got the Union paper. It says Air Jordan with the Union, and the shoes are individually wrapped. All right, so here is the right shoe. Obviously comes in, you know, a wrapped up paper, and here's a look at it. So here we have it, guys. Here's the shoe, size 14. Got the Union hang tag. It says Union on the front of it. The back is just the regular Jordan logo. Awesome, man. This shoe looks amazing in hand. Now, if you told me which Union is my favorite, I'm talking the blue ones, the black toe ones, these, and then what are the other ones called that came out last year? The Beauty something, I can't remember. Because I have those too. Those shoes are amazing. I would go with the blue ones first, these second, the black toes, and then the last Union ones. I think that's the order I would have it in. Let me know in the comment section down below what would your order be. But it's really cool stuff. Here's the inside of it. You get 3 spare laces. You get like some sail laces. It's almost like a yellowish sail. We get a full-on yellow like mustard lace, and then we get a black lace as well. Here's the bottom. Very beautiful stuff. And that's the shoe. That's the right shoe. We also get some more artwork inside of the shoe as well, the shoe box. And here's the left shoe right here, and here's the left shoe right here, guys. And man, like, this shoe looks really good in person, in hand. And I love, oh my gosh, I love the little, I can't think of the material right now for the back right there. Look at that. Really great materials, man. Awesome. The material quality is really nice. Very nice quality. Very beautiful. Same spare laces, obviously. I like the blue, you know, hints in the stitching. Got the shadow that leads it in to the Chicago, and I like how they, you know, did the blue stitching there. That looks really clean. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Bam. And here's the inside. Like I said, it's a size 14. So yeah, we got the sponge tongue as well. Oops, almost dropped it. But like I said, guys, yes, so this shoe's currently sitting at 900 bucks for a size 14. I know it's around 600-700 in the other sizes. And like I said, if the shoe does drop again on the 18th of March, I believe this shoe will probably drop down in price. So if you're hesitant on whether or not you should pick it up for resale, I highly suggest waiting. If I'm able to cop, these things will definitely drop in price. Like, it's just a history of mine. Like, with all the shoes that I have, every time I get a shoe, they restock no matter what. The price always drops. So I highly suggest you guys just waiting until March 18th to see what the market does. You know, but here's the thing, it's a high risk, high reward situation. If these things drop on the March 18th and like there's barely any stock, these things are going to skyrocket in price. If these don't drop on March 18th and like the Union drop was the only drop, then the price is still going to drop. Like, it's going to go crazy. The price is going to go crazy. But if they do drop on the 18th and a lot of people are getting dubs, I think that the price for these will drop. And yeah, this will definitely be a shoe under 1K, and it'll probably be like around a $400 shoe. I can see this being around a $400 shoe for sure. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below of the Union Jordan 1s in the comment section down below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next time. Sign out. Peace. Really nice stuff, man.